me, Purple Fizz VR here, and in today's video, I am inside Animal Company's brand new circus update. Why is it all corrupted? Oh. Whoa. Okay. So I already got some gear. I just need. So I have a massive terror of clowns. So this will be really good. It's not going to be good. I have it to my own. I called it Clownophobia. Dracophobia. Clownophobia. Circus October 21st. Okay, it's like. Yeah, I don't think anyone is in this. What is this? Make videos to win cosmetic. Ooh. AC trash can, AC bucket, and an AC axe head. I need that axe head so bad it hurts. Anyone is in this lobby? Yeah, I'm in a private. Join that code. Join that code. It's my fan code. And we really appreciate it if you do join it. And also you'll be classified as a Sigma. Don't believe me? Join in the next video I post. When I post this video, comment. I joined and I'll heart it and then I'll reply to it saying Sigma. Okay. Let's go on with the video now. But if I do not ask my admin address, please don't. And let's go.
Yes.
How the fuck did you do that?
hang on.
You look so. Oh my god, he looks like a skull. Try picking him up.
Snowball
Pick him
and
up.
I can't touch
Oh no!
Wang, what I'm gonna do? What are I gonna do?
Bro, how do you do that?
He wants to go to the clown.
Wait, should I
He wants to go to the circus.
snowball.
He wants to go to the
Should I become a
circus.
demon sword? Should I become a demon sword?
Oh, whoa!
Yes. People
Oh,
will
what
be
is
so
that?
cool
What is a demon
trying to
sword?
take it and what
Can I become a light? Can you make me a light?
Can I have a
I
demon
got
sword?
it.
I wanna be a light. The fuck?
We can see the watch. Who wants to go to the new? He wants to go to the new circus. Who wants to go to the circus?
I can't grab it.
Oh, that's like gonna
You're
go.
black. Oh my god. It's alive?
I'm gonna go to the new circus. He wants to come with me.
Bro, can you turn me into a light?
Somebody control me. What was it?
I got an idea what I want you to turn me
Control me, please.
We're
coming. Controlling you, little bro.
Bro, hello. Okay, he's gone. Oh, whoa! We need to grapple up. I came here in a bomb. Okay, the circus is official. Oh, I seen a guy. Oh, wait, guy. This is the.
Stop! He got banana chips! He's trying to eat me! I'm banana chips and the cone is trying to eat me!
Is there anyone at the circus? I'm scared. Oh, someone's there. He's here. Ah! Ah!
Bring coins to the claw machine and I can get stuff.
I'm flying! I'm flying! I can
I
fly!
have a massive clownophobia.
Yo, there's a
And I just
flying
know for a fact
person
this is a
at the
clown.
claw machine.
I'm flying with farts! I'm flying with farts! Look,
Yo.
it's fart time!
But I'm scared.
It's fart time! It's fart time! It's fart time! I'm gonna fly away! I'm gonna fly away! Here's my farts! Bye bye! No,
Dude, watch out. Dude, watch out.
come here!
Why am I scared of clowns?
He's here!
He's gonna get this boy.
How did he grab me? I was in the air!
Going to put into the thing. Then we can get.
Like a normal flashlight. Come here! Help! Somebody put the
It's not this thing! I don't like this.
Dude, I'm already in here. I just need a coin to enter
Walk down to
into
the bottom.
coin box.
It's safe.
I don't like
I'm
it.
coming back! I'm coming back! I'm in it!
Do you have a coin?
I'm back from the clown monster, finally. Coming for you. You gotta get up here. Mr. Clown! Oh, Pippi, can you get here? This is scared. Can I have that silver gun, please?
Come on, grab on!
Useless trying to get in here if we don't even have anything to act.
What's over there? News.
I'm flying! I'm flying! Who was the one with flying? Who was the one with flying? Hey, watch this! I'm gonna fly!
What do you want? To the circus.
I wanna go to my banana family. Let me back! Let me back! He died.
Can you get in the
Who was
machine?
he murdered?
Oh, I can't get in the machine.
Ow! Ow! I know how to get in the machine. Ow! I'll show you. Come up here.
Here.
Come to me out. I'll show you how to go in the machine.
I got a big booty content.
Come here. So get your super gun and then aim it here and then drop it and then pick it back up until it is like that.
We
Wait,
still
just
need
one.
coins.
I'm flying, Black.
Hey, person that's flying, can you get coins?
How much can I get?
Guys, what's in the big circus tent? What's in the big circus tent?
They're flying.
If you go there, you'll get stuff.
Guys, I got four
Stay
now.
in a certain spot. So we need
Bro,
coins.
Blue, can you, bro, I'll do that coin whatever you want about, I don't know.
Okay.
Hey, monkey.
What is in here? What is in here? Well, what is it? Okay. Can I like... Bro, this up this lane. Just this one.
The people I want
Just
you to shut the
this.
fuck up, or you're really annoying.
Yeah, I regret saying the whole thing. Get me out! I might accidentally not be family friendly. And I'm so sorry if I'm not. But I hate clowns so much. School?
Please, come on, come on.
Anyone else? Anyone else? Anyone else? What is this? Can I
Yeah, I fell.
put it in?
Keep the clown over there, Gabriel.
What is that? I'm gonna dongle quickly, and then we can get on this map. Get on here. This is not. This is an office.
Yeah, we need another coin.
I hate clowns so much. You don't know how much.
Go try the clown right behind.
Fudge. Let me go! Ah! Ah, no! 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 What is this? What is this? Animal Company. I don't think I should be playing this update. Fudge. Where do I go? Also, I'm on my own, makes it 10 times worse. What is that? So I'm getting electrocuted. So this is a school. And it's basically corrupted. Okay. Where do I go? Do I go there? What do I do? Oh, I think I found it. Whoa. A shame. So you just...
Still got out.
I think I put the shape in there. Yes. Oh, what is this?
Anyone?
It's going foggy. I think I know what happens when it gets foggy. I swear I do. I do. Oh! Yes! I get it! when it's foggy, it's like basically when it's foggy, you turn to like a different like.
What is the X?
Bro, who are you? Bro, hello.
I can float.
No, it's all the way over here.
We need square. We need square.
I thought I see skin.
Yeah, I understand that. I know how to play.
We need one
Just the boss
more.
fight, that's
Hurry
the
up
problem.
with the skinny clown and you'll be fine.
I did this one.
Where are all these shades? Okay.
Got a square. Need it. Oh, gee. What shit do we need?
Where's the square?
We need a circle. We need square. We need square.
square,
All
we
we
need
need is
square.
square. I found a circle. I found a square. Come up. Come over here. Put the square. Put the square.
Oh,
Yeah! Puzzle pieces. Let's go.
ooh.
Alright, this one you want to be careful of. This little skinny clown. He'll try to kill you.
I
He
hate the
one-shots.
freaking. Where's the skinny? Skinny.
You just go a little bit further. It's down. No.
You mean the doll?
It's down, I think. Yep,
Like
it's
the
over
thing
here.
that looks like it's from Don't Hug Me, I'm Scared.
And then you gotta go through the door. Alright, now through here, there's a skinny clown. If he sees you, he'll one-shot you. Do not let him kill you.
have a hook shot. What about you? Guys, I'm scared. Wait for me.
If you have a hook shot, I think he might still kill you. I think they made it wherever where he jumps upward.
I don't
I know
care.
where the
Oh,
exit is. I know where the
coming.
exit is.
I'm only really trying to get
I know where the exit is.
She just found
Everybody, just let you know,
I'll be
if
fine.
you're
I
in
see
the
the clown, I
circus,
see the
be
clown.
careful of the kidnap.
Can one of y'all get him on you? You're fine if you have a hook
He's
shot.
that
Oh my
way.
god!
Yo, I'm not dealing with this fudger. No, you deal with him.
Wait, I don't remember. No, this wasn't the right way. Oh, damn.
What does he do?
Anyone? Did he escape the
No,
circus?
guys, I'm scared.
Arm someone.
Run!
Yo,
Just
revive
idiot.
me, revive me, I beg. I beg, revive me.
Fuck me.
Oh, hell no. He's scary. No. What do we do?
You gotta find the exit.
I think it's forward.
I remember where it was. I think I remember where it was.
Where's the exit?
Revive me.
It's down here.
There! Yes!
What is this?
Screw you,
Run through,
whoever
run
wanted
through,
to
run through, run
revive.
through.
I'm out of
No,
here.
wait.
Wait for me, bro.
What do you do?
I want to do the boss.
For the boss.
Yeah, let's go do a boss, man. This sucks.
But I'm very, bro.
Let me
Bro, wait,
let me
That's
get
the
two
weapons.
grapplers.
Told you, it's really easy.
Shut up.
Well, I'm too small.
He's too small.
I'm very ready to be cut.
Excuse me.
Yo, let's go.
Excuse me.
All right, everyone at circus,
You
baby.
want fish?
everyone go.
Can I be your boyfriend?
Now, I remember when this one first came out. People think there's balls. I don't get there. No, I don't think there'll be a boss inside Anakin.
Just run fast,
I
bro.
don't get it.
Stand it.
Guys, let's go to the boss fight.
We'll go.
I got a shovel again. Yeah.
Let's
need
go.
shovel.
Come on, let's go.
Go.
What
Well,
is
I'm
really
absolutely
useful?
terrified
Most
of
the
clowns.
things
My
that are
voice is
just
so
impossible to kill.
I love clowns.
Let's go!
Scott,
Oh, scary! Let me out!
Sadly, with me,
I'm on drugs.
and was
Oh, hell no.
and was in the room with all the stairs.
Alrighty.
Right after you exit like that place with all the death.
Let's go.
I love the children's sound effects. So wow, it's a crowd! How scary! How
celebrities.
Nah, Sun Hat and Clown. Clown and Sun Hat.
What?
I'm just following you at this
It's my
point.
brother-in-law, baby.
Why?
Because you know the you know the way.
Well,
We
I
need
mean,
to
I've
find
shaped it
out.
plenty of times. Just get the shapes. The shapes are really easy to find.
Get something.
I'll get the star. I'll get the star.
No, I want to get the star. What do you want to get? No, the star!
God.
I got the star. I'm so awesome!
Oh, we're about to teleport.
I'm so golden, bro.
Gimme. Got it.
I'm tripping right now. Am I tripping or did that just happen? This is so
We need
Alright,
square.
guys, I'm gonna try to survive. Ooh, I see something.
Go to the circus claw machine if you want to get coins and get scammed.
I'm trying, man.
What is it? We need to get on! Oh, goodness. Where am I?
Exit's been opened.
We made the cube! Guys, I need one more done with this one.
Okay. You need to fill it up.
Wait up for
Go,
everyone.
go.
Make sure they're at the daycare before continuing.
All the way down.
Y'all trying to fight
I'm
the skinny
behind you guys
clown?
because I'm so
Is that what y'all
slow.
trying
Wait
to
up.
fight? Is the skinny
I'm not
clown?
trying to I don't want to fight him. I just want to be the boss.
I forgot though.
No,
Guys,
there's like
wait
the two
up.
hands. Just two ginormous hands.
Wait up.
That's the boss.
Oh, I have no clue where that is. No, I want B.
Well, I don't know where it is. I'm pretty sure if we just move, we'll find
I
him.
just found banana chips.
Banana chip!
Guys, it's one over. It's one over.
What? Those are real
It's two
now?
over.
Banana chips are real! I go to
Be careful, clown dude. Yeah, I know the way too, but I just don't want to say hello to clown
The
dude. 'cause I don't have
nana
them.
chips are here. The nana chips. Whoosh!
Someone just got slimed. I don't care though.
That was scary as hell. I know we have to go back to the slide. Help me. Help me. He's camping. He's camping.
Come on.
You need to be very quiet. We need to go back there. The stupid retard, bro. He doesn't even have his shoes tied. Left. We gotta go left. Hey, wait for me, bro. I brought it, Mom, I think. I put it somewhere on the couch, I think. Yeah. Bro, what is this guy just...
He's on me. It's this way.
Bro, that ain't talkies. That's just. Wait, put your head down and go
I
for it.
think we just.
I got muted! I got muted, bro! Oh, this is how we do it. Guys, you left. What?
9? We got fucking.
What the heck?
Guys, we're in the boss fight!
Ah!
Oh, hell no! What is going on?
Help me!
Bro, what happened? I just got in!
Yeah, it's just us. Square. Square.
Help me! Help me!
I spawned back. I spawned back.
I need help!
Square. Square.
I spawned back.
Help me!
I spawned back. I spawned back. I spawned back.
Your voice is
I managed to
obnoxiously
get back.
annoying.
I managed to get back. I somehow managed to get back.
Please,
Who the hell?
no!
Y'all OP. with me, come with me, come with me. I know where the exit.
I have no
where
weapon,
it
no
is.
nothing.
I know. So, but that's why we're gonna support the others. Just follow me. Can you see me? It's pitch black. I'm not. You should be able to see my eyes. You should be able to see my eyes. Okay. And then right here. And then right after. And then it's just forward. Rush it. Gotta save the others.
Go, 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 go. Touch it, touch it, touch it.
Let's get back.
Go!
What's even going on? This
Okay,
is
we're back.
like every pair of hands. Please, someone revive me. No, I don't know what's going on. Everything's not here.
Jump out!
Just keep above the square is what shape you put it. You have to put it away.
Yeah, I know. It's the freaking lava that's getting me.
No! Guys, help! Look at that!
Okay, come here. Come here so I can ride.
Let me. Okay, I got this time.
Okay, your body's long. I can't ride you. I can't ride.
I was so close to finishing. You're kidding. Cat, you need to get me back, bro.
Alright, yeah, I can bring you back.
Thanks, bro.
And now, instantly, give your ass
What do we
moving.
even do at this point? What do we even do?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh my.
Okay, this boss is impossible. How do you jump up?
I'm sorry, man.
We need a big circle. We need a big circle. Yo, I can't even pick anything. up
Goodbye!
I need.
Kitty cat!
I mean, actually, don't kill me.
Cat! Cat, did you die? Cat.
I'm more confident is insane for doing this shit. I'm scared to the fucking witch. That's two full circus, one. Everyone meet up at circus. It's two full.